What is up, YouTube family? Back with another video. Today we're going shopping, so I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride. We are going to go out and hit some different discount stores, hopefully find some very profitable products that we can go and flip on Amazon for a profit. If you're new to the channel, my name's Garrett. I've been selling on Amazon full-time for the better part of the last 4 years, and that's what I like to teach here on my channel. So today our first stop is going to be Ross Dress for Less. Hopefully it's Ross Make Us More, but we're gonna head on in and hopefully find some good stuff. So let's go. Just leaving Ross, only found that one pair of Lee pants, but it was 10 bucks profit. I didn't purchase it because the line was too long and I wasn't gonna wait in line for one item. So we're gonna head to the next store, probably gonna hit some Marshalls and Burlingtons because I have a lot better luck at those type of stores. Ross has just been terrible for the last 2 years, honestly. It's just sucked. So I don't even really like going to Ross anymore. So let's go to Marshalls. Let's go to Burlington. Hopefully we have some better luck over there. Just arrived here at Marshall's. Hopefully we have some better luck. So let's head on in and hopefully let's see what we can find. Let's go. Man, struck out again. I'm trying to find some good stuff to buy just because it's probably pretty boring watching a video of someone going to look for profitable items and not finding anything, but there's literally I could have bought those Puma slides, made $5 a piece, but it just really isn't worth my time to buy 3 pairs of slides, poly bag them, label them. It's just not worth the time for me. Might be for you if you're just starting out, but for me, not worth my time, so I passed. But it's just hard. These stores, especially these discount stores, have just significantly raised their prices compared to 2, 3, 4 years ago. For example, some Nike swim trunks in there. They used to charge $12.99 for Nike swim trunks. They'd sell for $38 to $45 all day long. So you could just make a ton of profit. For those same exact Nike swim trunks they're charging $24.99 and they're still only selling for $38, $40. So there's just really no profit to be made unless you want to make a couple bucks, which I'm good on making a couple bucks, spending $25 to make $3. I'm good on that, especially when you can only buy a couple of them. But struck out the first 2 locations. There's a Target right here. I might run in there and see. I just never really have a look at Target either. But we're definitely going to go hit up Burlington and hopefully have some better luck. But let me know down in the comment section below. In your areas, do you guys notice that these discount stores I feel like they just keep raising their prices quite significantly. So it's a lot harder to go. I used to go into these stores every day and just fill my cart full of profitable items, no problem. Now I'm lucky to find a few items at some of these stores. When I used to just go back to back to back, I'd fill up my cart every single day, no problem at these stores with a ton of inventory. Now when I go out for a full day, it's almost, for me, it's not worth it. I can sit at home all day and shop online and find a ton of products that way. It's different when you're going to the outlets. There's always profitable stuff at the outlets to where you can at least spend a quite decent amount of money, but just going store to store to store for a couple items making $5, it's just really not worth my time anymore. So we're gonna hit a couple more stores and see if we can get some better luck. But let me know down in the comments, are you guys having luck at these discount stores anymore? Or in my area, they're dead, but I know every area is different. I live in a pretty populated area, so let me know in the comment section below. Just arrived at Burlington. Come on, Burlington, give us the freaking winner chicken dinners. Just leaving Burlington, didn't find a ton, but at least they had some profitable items. They had those little baby seats. I find those quite often. Those larger baby items, Fisher Price, some of those brands usually pull in some decent profits. They had about 3 of those. And then those nursing scrubs, those can oftentimes bring a lot of profit. So definitely, if you're sourcing these stores, keep your eye out for items like those. But we're gonna make our last stop at Walmart right here. Hopefully we have some better luck. Walmart's hit or miss if they're gonna have a full clearance aisle or not. So let's go on in and hopefully find some good stuff. Well, guys, unfortunately, Walmart didn't give us any good profits. There wasn't really much. They had a lot of stuff in the clearance areas, but there's nothing. It was either too high of a rank or it just wasn't profitable. So I feel like I let you guys down. I really didn't find anything in this video, but I like to be transparent on this channel for people trying to get into Amazon, people just starting. You might feel like you're struggling. Every single time you go out to source, you're not gonna just be filling up your carts with a ton of profit. It definitely does happen, but you need to be consistent, hitting these stores over and over and over. The more stores you hit, the more stuff you're gonna find. But you have days where, and sometimes even a week period, where you're just grinding it out to get out there and try to find stuff. And then you have weeks where it's almost too easy. You can go to a few stores and fill up your whole car full of stuff. So I like to keep it transparent. There's a lot of, almost every video you see on YouTube is just people killing it. And it's just really not like that. They're showing you the highlights. It's kind of like, you know, you watch a Michael Jordan highlight film, it looks so crazy. But then if you just watch like an actual full game of Michael Jordan, it just looks, you can tell he's good, but you guys know what I mean. It's just not, you're not seeing the highlights every single play, right? It's those highlights happen over a period of a game, 2 games, 30 games, 40 games. It's the same thing with doing retail arbitrage. A lot of people show you the highlights, but they don't show you where, you know, maybe they turn the ball over or they get injured or something like that, where same thing with sourcing. Sometimes you just aren't finding a ton of stuff and it gets discouraging, but you have to know the more reps you put in, the better you're gonna do. It's kind of like if you're golfing, you might hit a few bad shots. And some people are just like, I'm never golfing again, I suck. But you could be a few shots away from getting back on track, getting your game where it needs to be, and it's more consistent, right? So same thing with sourcing. Don't get your head down if you don't find nothing. Today I went out for a few hours, didn't find much, but the great thing is when you have other skills, like I have the skills to go home, do online arbitrage, I have wholesale stuff I'm doing. Once you have all these options, if something's not working at a particular time, like this week might not be good for retail arbitrage, but I might go home and find a ton of stuff online arbitrage. So having options, knowing how to do stuff, building certain skill sets in this business is what's going to keep your edge up and keep you on your toes and ready to go. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Sorry to disappoint you. Let me know down below, how have you guys been doing, especially at these discount stores. I haven't been doing too well over the past year, really, at some of these discount stores. But again, I'm not in there every week consistently. I go like every couple months and check them out. But let me know. Would love to hear how your area is doing with retail arbitrage. I'm gonna head home, do some OA, do something a little bit productive and make some money. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.